Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this video, we're going to explore 17 trouble spots that signal car reliability issues. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or a first-time buyer, knowing these warning signs can save you from potential headaches down the road. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more informative content. 17 trouble spots that signal car reliability issues. When it comes to car reliability, certain trouble spots can serve as warning signs. Identifying these areas can help you stay ahead of potential issues and ensure a smoother driving experience. The information provided is for general knowledge purposes only. Introduction to car reliability issues. Car reliability is a crucial factor to consider when purchasing a vehicle. We will explore various trouble spots that can signal car reliability issues, helping you make an informed decision when choosing your next vehicle. Engine problems. The engine is the heart of a car, and reliability issues with the engine can be a major concern. Common engine problems include overheating, oil leaks, and misfiring. These issues can lead to reduced performance, increased fuel consumption, and potential breakdowns. Transmission troubles. The transmission is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the wheels. Reliability issues with the transmission can result in delayed shifting, slipping gears, or even complete failure. Such problems can be costly to repair and may render the vehicle inoperable. Electrical system malfunctions. Modern cars heavily rely on complex electrical systems to power various components, such as lights, infotainment systems, and sensors. Electrical issues, such as short circuits or faulty wiring, can lead to a range of problems, including malfunctioning lights, non-responsive controls, and even sudden engine shutdowns. Suspension and steering worries. A car's suspension and steering components play a vital role in providing a smooth and controlled ride. Reliability issues in these areas can manifest as excessive vibrations, uneven tire wear, or a loose steering feel. Neglecting suspension and steering problems not only compromises comfort but also safety. Braking system concerns. The braking system is an integral part of any vehicle, ensuring safe and reliable stopping power. Signs of potential reliability issues include soft or spongy brake pedals, squealing or grinding noises, or inconsistent braking performance. Ignoring these indicators can jeopardize your safety on the road. Cooling system defects. Efficient cooling is essential to prevent engine overheating and maintain optimal performance. A faulty cooling system may exhibit symptoms like an overheating engine, coolant leaks, or a malfunctioning thermostat. Neglecting cooling system issues can lead to severe engine damage. Fuel system problems. A reliable fuel system ensures proper fuel delivery to the engine for optimum performance. Issues like clogged fuel injectors, fuel pump failures, or a malfunctioning fuel gauge can disrupt the smooth running of the vehicle and potentially leave you stranded. Exhaust and emission complications. A healthy exhaust and emission system not only promotes environmental friendliness but also indicates the overall health of the car. Problems such as excessive smoke, strange odors, or failed emission tests can indicate reliability issues in this area. Fluid leaks and maintenance neglect. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity and reliability of any vehicle. Neglecting routine maintenance tasks like oil changes, fluid top-ups, or belt replacements can lead to leaks, system failures, and expensive repairs down the line. Quality of materials and build. While not directly a trouble spot, the overall quality of the materials used and the build of the car can significantly impact its reliability. Vehicles made with cheap, subpar components are more likely to experience issues and breakdowns compared to those built with quality materials. Understanding the common trouble spots that signal car reliability issues can help you make an informed decision when purchasing a vehicle. By paying attention to these areas and conducting proper inspections, you can increase the chances of finding a reliable car that will serve you well for years to come. Stay tuned for the upcoming sections where we will delve deeper into each trouble spot and provide valuable insights to consider. Trouble Spot 1. Check engine light, oil pressure warning light, battery warning light. The warning lights on your car's dashboard are there for a reason: to alert you when something isn't right with your vehicle. Ignoring these warning lights could lead to more significant problems down the road. In this section, we'll discuss 3 common warning lights that indicate potential car reliability issues: the check engine light, oil pressure warning light, and battery warning light. Check engine light. The check engine light is one of the most commonly seen warning lights on a car's dashboard. It is represented by a small engine symbol or the words, check engine, illuminated in amber or red. When this light comes on, it signifies that the car's onboard diagnostic system has detected a problem with the engine or related components. Ignoring the check engine light is not a wise decision, as it can indicate various issues such as a faulty oxygen sensor, malfunctioning catalytic converter, or even a loose gas cap. While some problems may be minor and won't immediately affect the car's performance, neglecting them can lead to decreased fuel efficiency, engine damage, or even a breakdown. If your check engine light comes on, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. They can diagnose the issue using specialized diagnostic tools and provide the necessary repairs. Oil pressure warning light. The oil pressure warning light is typically represented by an oil can symbol or the words, oil pressure, illuminated in red. This light indicates a drop in oil pressure, which can be caused by a variety of issues, including low oil level, a faulty oil pump, or a clogged oil filter. Driving with low oil pressure can be extremely damaging to your engine, as oil is essential for lubrication and cooling. If the oil pressure warning light turns on, it's crucial to pull over to a safe location and check your oil level immediately. If the oil level is low, add oil as soon as possible. If the light persists or if your oil level is normal, it's recommended to seek professional assistance to diagnose and address the underlying problem. Battery warning light. The battery warning light is usually represented by a battery symbol illuminated in red or amber. This light indicates a problem with the vehicle's charging system. It could signify a weak battery, a faulty alternator, or an issue with the electrical connections. Ignoring the battery warning light can result in a dead battery, leaving you stranded and unable to start your car. If the battery warning light comes on, it's advisable to turn off any unnecessary electrical systems in your vehicle, such as the air conditioning or radio, to conserve battery power. Additionally, avoid driving for an extended period or long distances, as the battery may not be charging correctly. To rectify the issue, you should have your battery and charging system inspected by a professional mechanic. They can determine whether the problem lies with the battery or the alternator and recommend the appropriate repairs or replacements. By paying attention to these warning lights and taking prompt action when they appear, you'll be taking proactive steps towards maintaining your car's reliability and preventing more severe issues in the future. Remember, it's better to address potential problems early on rather than waiting for them to escalate. Trouble spot 2. Engine knocking sound, squealing brakes, grinding gears. If you've ever experienced any strange noises when driving your car, it can be concerning and might indicate underlying reliability issues. In this section, we will discuss 3 trouble spots that commonly signal car reliability problems: engine knocking sound, squealing brakes, and grinding gears. Engine knocking sound. One of the most unsettling sounds you can hear coming from your car is an engine knocking sound. This noise typically resembles a repetitive tapping or knocking sensation, and it should never be ignored. Engine knocking can be an indication of various problems, including worn-out spark plugs, low-quality fuel, or even engine damage. If you hear your engine knocking, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage. Make sure to schedule a visit to your trusted mechanic who can diagnose the problem and provide the necessary repairs. Ignoring engine knocking can lead to severe engine damage in the long run, affecting your car's reliability and performance. Squealing brakes. Another trouble spot to pay attention to is squealing brakes. When you hear a high-pitched noise coming from your brakes, it can be an alarming sign of potential reliability issues. Squealing brakes can be caused by several reasons, such as worn-out brake pads, brake dust buildup, or even a problem with the brake calipers. Ignoring squealing brakes can compromise your car's braking efficiency and safety. It's essential to have your brakes inspected and serviced regularly. A qualified brake technician can assess the condition of your brake system, determine the cause of the noise, and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements. Grinding gears. If you drive a manual transmission car, grinding gears can be a major red flag. When you hear a grinding noise while shifting gears, it indicates a problem with the transmission system. Grinding gears can be caused by issues such as worn-out clutch components, incorrect gear synchronization, or low transmission fluid levels. Driving with a grinding transmission can lead to further damage and potential transmission failure. It's crucial to address this issue promptly to avoid expensive repairs. Taking your car to a qualified mechanic who specializes in transmission repairs is essential. They can diagnose the problem, determine the necessary repairs, and keep your car's transmission running reliably. By paying attention to these 3 trouble spots, engine knocking sound, squealing brakes, and grinding gears, you can stay ahead of potential reliability issues in your car. Regular maintenance, prompt repairs, and addressing these problems can help ensure that your vehicle remains dependable and safe on the road. Trouble spot 3, engine oil leak, coolant leak, transmission fluid leak. When it comes to car reliability, paying attention to potential trouble spots is crucial for identifying and addressing issues early on. In this section, we will discuss 3 common trouble spots: engine oil leaks, coolant leaks, and transmission fluid leaks. By understanding the signs and taking prompt action, you can help prevent further damage and maintain the reliability of your vehicle. Engine oil leak. An engine oil leak occurs when oil escapes from the engine's internal components or gaskets. This can lead to a decrease in oil levels, which can cause engine damage if left unchecked. Look out for the following signs of an engine oil leak: * oil spots or puddles. If you notice oil stains underneath your parked car, it may be an indication of a leak. * burning smell. A strong odor of burning oil when driving could be a sign that oil is leaking onto hot engine parts. * low oil levels. Regularly check your oil dipstick to ensure proper oil levels. If you frequently need to add oil, it could be due to a leak. If you suspect an engine oil leak, it is essential to have it inspected by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to identify the source of the leak and recommend the appropriate repairs. Coolant leak. A coolant leak occurs when the car's coolant, a mixture of water and antifreeze, escapes from the cooling system. Cooling system issues can lead to overheating and potential engine damage. Here are some signs of a coolant leak. * puddles of coolant. Similar to oil leaks, coolant leaks can leave distinct puddles or stains under the car. * sweet smell. A sweet, syrup-like smell inside the car or near the engine bay can indicate a coolant leak. * rapid decrease in coolant levels. If you frequently need to add coolant, it may be due to a leak in the system. Addressing a coolant leak promptly is vital to prevent overheating. Visit an auto repair shop to have the coolant system inspected and repaired as necessary. Transmission fluid leak. Transmission fluid is responsible for lubricating and cooling the transmission system. A leak in the transmission can cause significant damage if not attended to promptly. Look out for these signs of a transmission fluid leak. * reddish fluid under the car. Transmission fluid is usually bright red, so any reddish fluid found under the vehicle could indicate a leak. Difficulty shifting gears. If you experience problems when shifting gears, it could be a result of low transmission fluid caused by a leak. Burnt smell. A burnt odor coming from the transmission area could be a sign of a fluid leak. If you suspect a transmission fluid leak, it is crucial to have it inspected and repaired by a professional. Transmission repairs can be complex, so it's best to leave it to the experts. By staying vigilant and addressing engine oil leaks, coolant leaks, and transmission fluid leaks promptly, you can help maintain the reliability and longevity of your vehicle. Remember to consult with a qualified mechanic to diagnose and resolve any issues you may encounter. Trouble spot 4. Decreased MPG and sudden drop in fuel efficiency. When it comes to car reliability, fuel efficiency is an important aspect. A sudden drop in fuel efficiency can be a troubling sign, as it not only impacts your wallet but also raises concerns about the overall health of your vehicle. In this section, we'll explore the potential trouble spots that can lead to decreased miles per gallon, (mpg), and provide some insights on what might be causing this issue. Common causes of decreased mileage. Several factors can contribute to a decrease in fuel efficiency, and it's essential to address them promptly to ensure your car's reliability. Underinflated tires. Improper tire pressure can significantly impact your vehicle's mpg. When tires are not inflated to the recommended level, they create more resistance, making the engine work harder and consume more fuel. Clogged air filters. Over time, air filters can become clogged with dirt and debris. This restricts the airflow to the engine, leading to an inefficient fuel-to-air ratio and decreased mpg. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases, helping the engine adjust the fuel mixture accordingly. A malfunctioning sensor can provide incorrect readings to the engine control unit, resulting in poor fuel efficiency. Sudden drop in fuel efficiency. If you notice a sudden and significant decrease in your car's mpg, it's crucial to investigate the root causes promptly. Here are some signs that indicate a drop in fuel efficiency. Increased frequency of fuel stops. If you find yourself filling up the gas tank more frequently than usual, despite driving under similar conditions, it's a clear indication of reduced fuel efficiency. Lower mileage range. Pay attention to the mileage range displayed on your dashboard. A sudden decrease in the range can suggest that your car is consuming more fuel than before. Lack of power. A noticeable lack of power while accelerating can indicate an issue with fuel delivery or combustion, resulting in decreased mpg. Taking action to improve fuel efficiency. To address the issue of decreased mpg and sudden drop in fuel efficiency, here are some steps you can take. Regular maintenance. Ensure that your car receives regular maintenance, including routine oil changes, air filter replacements, and spark plug inspections. This helps optimize fuel efficiency and prevents potential issues that can lead to decreased mpg. Proper tire maintenance. Regularly check your tire pressure and ensure they are inflated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, inspect tires for wear and ensure they are properly aligned. Addressing check engine light. If your vehicle's check engine light is illuminated, it's essential to have it checked by a professional mechanic. Ignoring this warning sign can result in decreased fuel efficiency and potential damage to other components. By addressing the causes of decreased mpg and sudden drops in fuel efficiency, you can improve your car's reliability and enjoy better fuel economy. Regular maintenance, prompt repairs, and attentive driving habits can go a long way in maintaining optimal fuel efficiency. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Driver. We've covered some crucial trouble spots in this video, but there's more to explore in part 2. Stay tuned for the next installment, where we'll delve even deeper into car reliability issues. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our automotive insights. See you in part 2.